Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. Today, we are going to be working with the paper pumpkin. I'm so excited for this box. We've got sneak peeks, so we know it's about gingerbread men, gingerbread houses. I'm not sure which one, but it's something about gingerbread. So I'm excited. Let's get it open. And here we go. It's a very overcast day. It's kind of gloomy outside, so my lighting is not the best, but bake the most of your kit with coordinating cardstock. Okay. If you enjoyed celebrating the season with the gingerbread theme kit, you can bake up even more paper projects by combining the contents of the kit with coordinating cardstock. From festive treat packaging to Christmas cards, use our high-quality cardstock to enhance your heartfelt holiday gifting. Okay, let's see the stamp set here. Is that the right size? Nope. There we go. Can you guys see that? It has with love and joy to from, happy holidays, more merry, wishing you a jolly Christmas, a sweet treat for you. Then all the little filigree stuff in the house. Cute, right? Okay, let's see. Our ink spot for this month is Blushing Bride. And I just so happen to have my Blushing Bride classic stamp pad that I've never used, so we get to open that up. So I did a replacement. Let's see what this in this kit, if I can get it out the box. Let's move this to the side. Grab our scissors. Oh, look at those cute little houses. The gingerbread. Are these tags? I don't know. Okay, let's open. Let's open. Okay, so we have our adhesive. Ooh. Let me get into this. What is that? Oh, these are super cute. Oh my. Little candy dots. These are so cute. Okay, and then we just have some glue dots, dimensionals, 2 sheets of dimensionals, and some tearing tape. Wow, this kit came with a lot of adhesive. Okay. Then we have some envelopes. Okay, these are the fronts, and this is the inside. So they're striped on the inside. Oh boy. So we have different houses, looks like. We have some with yellow doors, some with like a mint macaron. And this looks like it could be just jade or shaded spruce on these doors. So there are 3 different little houses here. Then we have some of these, a couple of sheets of these. And these are all different too. This one has stripes. These has the little gumball looking things, but they're very separated. And this one has more on there. So we're probably going to need a sheet of that. Oh, and then we have just plain ones. So we'll get a sheet of that. Then some little labels. And let's read our directions and see what this is all about. The Jolly Gingerbread Paper Pumpkin, November 2020. That's what this is. We have inside the Jolly Gingerbread Photopolymer Stamp Set, Blushing Bride ink spot, printed envelopes, gingerbread gift card holders, printed die cut houses, white die cut houses, printed die cut labels, candy stickers, dimensionals, adhesive dots, and adhesive tape roll. And the coordinating colors are Blushing Bride, Calypso Coral, Cinnamon Cider, Daffodil Delight, Mint Macaron, Shaded Spruce, and White. Then they show you a couple of alternatives. Ooh, this looks like a little box. Let's see. The directions. Stamp sentiments on die cut labels and details on die cut houses. Okay. So let's go ahead and see what we need to do here. First, let me show you, because we're going to need our ink. Let me show you how I prepare my ink pads. So all the ink pads come with plastic on them, wrapped up very tightly, as you can see. And on the back is a sticker sheet. What I like to do is take the sticker sheet. See how it's all coming up? I don't like that. I like to take it and push all the little labels down. And just take this part off first and get rid of that. Okay, so on here we have an English, then the 3 different languages, and then a blank one. So the English one, because I speak English, will go right here at the front where the little lip is for you to, your finger notch. You'll place that here. And a lot of people get rid of these other languages, but I don't. I go ahead and put them on the sides so that no matter which way I grab my case, I have the color showing me what color. Now this one is like Japanese, I think, but I like to make sure I keep it in the right orientation, and I put that right on the back. So I use every label that they give me. Then the blank one, I take that one, open it up, and put it on the inside of the lid here. Just like that. And then they suggest that you take this off, because if you stack them, this adds a little bit of a layer to it. So it is suggested that you take this part off. Okay, that's how you label your ink pads. So if you order some new ink pads, that's all you need to do. Okay, so now back to the project here. So let me look at the pictures, because you guys know I need to know what I'm doing. So we're gonna take this, start with this yellow door one. We'll get one of those. We're gonna fold it on all the score lines here. Okay. And then we're gonna have on the yellow, they have this one here. Take out this, pop out these little pieces here. Looks like, might be able to do something with that. Maybe, just maybe. Okay, so this will go on here like this, but we need to stamp on it. So let's get our stamp. So we're gonna need, looks like we're gonna need this. I believe this goes over the door. Let's put that on the block. And it looks like it stamps right over the door, just like that. Okay, so let's do that. Oop. Brand new ink pad, let's see. Ooh. Let me stamp this somewhere, make sure that my stamp is cleared off of the residue that sometimes is on there from manufacturing. Sorry if you can hear dishes clanking in the background. My daughter is making herself some lunch. Oh, okay. Maybe I should have went up a little bit, but that's good. Then we have this one that we stamp at the top, we're going to stamp that right there. And then we have More Merry. So let's get the words More Merry. Get another block. And we're going to stamp that on one of the tags here. And they all look to be the same size on this part. So we'll take the More Merry, stamp it right in the middle. And we're going to adhere that right there. Okay, let's see what they say next. I stamped all the images. Next, fold and flap a gingerbread house attached with adhesive tape. Dots to bottom inside edge. Add adhesive dots to the bottom inside edge of the house. Okay, so we're going to get our adhesive tearing tape here, because I've already folded and burnished this. So it says to put this here and glue dots at the bottom. So that's what we'll do. Okay, so I'll take all the backings off of these. I didn't realize these were going to be gift card holders. These are cute. Oh, come off. Then just close it up. Okay, and step 3 is to add dimensionals to the back of this. Come on. Okay. So we got that down. Take the backings off. Ooh. And then line this up on here so that your door is through the opening. Then we're going to take our sentiment and we're going to pop that up on dimensionals as well. I'm sorry, I'm reading the instructions off to the side because this is not like a card. I don't know how these go together, so I have to make sure I read the directions on this. But it's coming together very easy. Okay. And so then the next one, we need to, where's the, it says to get one of these and stamp that as well. So we will stamp this at the bottom. This at the top. Let me see how close to the top this should go. Very close. Okay, so it's kind of like this. Okay. And then we're going to stamp the to and from on that one. So where's my stamp set? To and from. Let's move that. To and from. Right in there. Oh, that's kind of crooked, but we're going to work with it. Okay, and we're going to pop this up on dimensionals as well. So let's put a few dimensionals on here. probably should put some on the outside edges to even that out. Even it out. Okay, and this is going to go on the back. So we'll place this one right on the back here. And that's where we'll pop one of our the cutest little candy dots ever. So this has a yellow door, so let's use a yellow one. We'll pop that right there. Okay. That's how it goes together. Now let me just show you. These are different. They have, this one has a heart, and this one has a little star in the middle of the door. But they all go together the same way. Let's see if I have a little gift card here that I can show you. And your gift card just pops in like that. Get your envelope. This is so cute. So I'm just gonna make one because they're all exactly the same. They just have different colors. Okay, so that is the, what is this called? The Jolly Gingerbread November 2020 Paper Pumpkin Kit. How cute is this for a gift card holder? I love it. This is so cute. I really love these dots. Okay, you guys, that is it from me today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.